Hi and welcome back. Imagine this. You are a Kenyan in the diaspora, excited about building your dream home back in Kenya. You have got the design, you have found the perfect plot, and now you're tackling the roofing stage, a critical step in construction. But then you hit a snag. How do you calculate the timber needed for your roof without overspending or underestimating? Let me show you how to get it right the first time. Roofing is one of the most significant investments in any construction project. The right calculation can save you thousands, while the wrong one can cause delays, wasted materials, or even worse, structural issues. I will guide you step by step to ensure your roofing project is flawless. Number one, understand your roof design. Is it a simple gable roof or a more complex design like a hip roof? The type of roof determines the timber layout. Number two, measurements are key. Measure the length and width of the house. For example, let's say your house is 30 feet by 20 feet and you are using a standard pitch angle of 30 degrees. Number three, calculate the number of rafters. Divide the total roof length by the spacing you prefer between the rafters, typically 2 feet. So, for a 30-foot roof length, you will need 15 rafters on one side and another 15 for the other. Number four, factor in beams, purlins, and battens. Don't forget the ridge beam, common beams, and battens that will hold your roofing material. These are essential in maintaining stability. And finally, number five, allow for waste. Always add 10 to 15% for offcuts and adjustments. It's better to have slightly more timber than to run out mid-project. Does this sound complicated? Don't worry. At Veewave Enterprises, we simplify this for you. At Veewave Enterprises, we offer comprehensive construction management services. We connect you with professional service providers and reputable suppliers to ensure your project is not only on budget, but completed on time. Whether it is timber sourcing or supervising the roofing process, we have got you covered. Most of our clients are Kenyans in the diaspora who trust us to bring their dreams to life, and we deliver every time. And speaking of saving time and money, I'm excited to announce our new ebook, Mastering Construction Budgeting. It is packed with practical tips and detailed examples to guide you through every budgeting step for your dream home. Order your copy today on our website, www.veewaveenterprises.co.ke. In conclusion, building your dream home does not have to be overwhelming. With the right knowledge and the right partner, Veewave Enterprises, you are set for success. Subscribe to our channel for more practical guides and tips, and let's make your dream a reality together. See you in the next video.